Hey, welcome back to my channel, guys. I'm Jerry from Bigelow Woodcraft, and on today's video, we're going to do something a little different. I've got my friend out here with us. I'll let him introduce himself here in a few minutes while he's going to get the mill ready and get the log ready while I'm talking. And also my boy's coming out here a little while. So basically, this video is about what two people can do together on a mill as opposed to one. We're milling again for my boy. We have a red oak on there. And hopefully we get what we need. We need 4 more fence posts. So, but with that being said, now that he just got the log all loaded up, or at least on the mill, I'll have him introduce himself. You probably know him. He's been around for a while. He's got a YouTube channel, and he just does odds and ends around his property and things like that. So, thanks for the warm welcoming, Jerry. I'm Jerry from Bigelow Woodcraft, and I'm here to help Jerry today. So, hopefully we get this on here. I just got that red oak on there, and we've worked together before. Stop before you say anything else. You're gonna need a mic, so throw this on. How long's your channel been going? My channel's been going now for a couple of years. Like mine. We've been pretty busy. Sorry about the mic. Get my hat back on. Excellent. All right. Well, you're willing to help, so thanks a lot. I am willing to help. Let's get this going. I'm excited. All right, guys, that'll do it. It's so much nicer having a couple of guys out here. Having the other Jerry and Garrett out here really made a big difference. So, first of all, Jerry, thank you very much for coming out and joining us today.
You're welcome.
And Garrett, thank you.
Thank you.
What a great time.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you, Garrett. Hopefully we'll get a chance to do this again.
Yeah, till next
Excellent.
time.
Excellent. Sounds good. So like this video, you know, Jerry says he's willing to come back. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment and don't forget to subscribe. See you at the mill next time.